How to sign out of YouTube Kids account. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily sign out from the YouTube Kids account. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your YouTube Kids app, and if you are a parent, you most probably are using your account to log in and create profiles for your kids. So what you can do is once your YouTube Kids has loaded, you'll find the navigation bar at the bottom with the search, your stuff, and then profile icon. Head over to profile, and once you click on the profile icon here, you'll find all of the profiles that you've created within your account. Now from here, tap on the parent settings at the bottom right corner. And once you tap on this gear icon here, you'll be asked a question which only the parent should know answer to. So if your kid is not old enough, they should not know the answer. Now just go ahead and click on submit. And if you've entered the correct answer, now you can just go ahead and go to your account. Now once you get to this page, you should be able to get the sign out option right besides your profile. And if you want to add a new profile for your kid, click on add new. And if you're not able to see the sign out option here, what you can do is go back, open up your settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and find app settings. Now just search for YouTube Kids. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for kids and open it up. Now all you have to do is clear out all of its data. Go to storage and then tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now you have successfully logged out of YouTube. And if you want to log in with any other account, you could just continue here with the other account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.